What's up, guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars after, well, as YouTube told me not long ago, 300 days since my last upload. It's been a bit of a while, it's been a bit too long, but I am back. And as you can see, we've got a new car for the channel, the Peugeot 307. Something a bit different, bit of a convertible for the summertime. Yeah, there's a few cars on the drive too, so we've got other videos and other cars to come. But back to it. So we'll do the traditional fuse box location video for today, and I'll show you guys how to locate your fuse box on the Peugeot 307. This is a 2005 model, as you can see. This covers up to, I think, 2010, might be 2009. I'll confirm that in the description anyway. But anyways, it's good to be back. I hope you're all well. I hope you enjoy the videos to come. Let's go. All right, guys, you join me on the inside of the Peugeot 307cc. For your fuse box location. So the first fuse box is called the interior fuse box, and it is located over here on the passenger side. First thing you want to do is open the glove box like so, and then you'll see, you know what, we'll go with that, we'll leave that in. So you'll see a little flap to the left that should have been in position, but I've just done it before I've started filming, obviously, to check everything was right. So in this flap, there's a little bit of plastic here, a little spinny bit, and it spins. Well, for me, it doesn't unscrew like a screw, it's just a clip, like a lock on the back. So I actually span it clockwise to unlock it, rather than anti-clockwise like you'd expect after messing with it a bit. I don't know if it's just been set the wrong way or they're all like that. But yeah, it turns basically 180 degrees, like a full half turn, and that just unlocks it. So at that point, you can just go and pull it off, or it'll fall off as I open the glove box for dramatic effect on the video. The good thing about these, I don't know if you'll have them in yours, spare fuses just wedged in the back. They're just spares, they don't do anything. Or your different sizes as well, ampage ratings, whatever it is, which is quite cool. So moving that flap out of the way leaves us with the interior fuse boxes. It's a bit hidden with the wires and stuff, but you can soon get a hand in there to get to the fuse you need to get to. This might be relays. Can't actually see any relays, just fuses. But yeah, guys, that's the interior fuse box for the Peugeot 307. When you're done with that, you can simply pop your plastic cover back on, like so. Turn that screw back to the locking position, which I'll do off camera with two hands, because it's just one of them stupid fiddly things you need two hands for. Yeah, shut your glove box, and that's the interior fuse box dealt with. Now, guys, we're going to get out the car, undo the bonnet first. The bonnet catch is located just down there, if you don't already know that. And we'll get on the outside and look at the exterior fuse box. And yeah, that's about it. I think there might be a couple in the boot. I'll confirm that in a second. Let's go. As you can see, we've got the bonnet open. If you don't know how to do that, the catch is located on the passenger side, just tucked sort of beneath the glove box. You can pull that and then get to this catch under here to lift the bonnet up and support it with your little rod. So, looking directly at the engine, we're going to look to the right hand side, just past the battery. So you've got your battery here, and here is the fuse box, the exterior fuse box. This just has a little tab on it, like that. This one's quite loose and knackered anyway. And it simply, with a bit of jiggling, there's another tab at the back too, you might need a clip, pulls off like so. And here we have the exterior fuse boxes for a number of fuses that'll mostly relate to things round at the front, like your lights and engine sensors, engine-y bits, but could also still cover bits on the inside. I know the washer pump fuse is here and things like that. And you've got your ECU itself, which hopefully you'll never have to mess with, and some major connectors for the loom. But yeah, that's your exterior fuse box. When you've done with that, doing what you need to do, you can simply just pop the cover back on like so, give it a clip down, make sure it's clipped in and secure, and that's the exterior fuse box, guys.